Move-in ready. Freshly painted and brand new carpeting throughout and brand new furnace and central air. Fabulous floor plan with spacious rooms and tons of windows to let the sun in. Kitchen is updated and has granite counters and stainless steel appliances. Dramatic tall ceilings plus a loft that can be a third bedroom, office, exercise room or second TV area. Corner location with no neighbors behind and gorgeous trees to enjoy. Pond right across the street and plenty of sidewalks to get your exercise in. Very unique neighborhood right by the Woodfield shopping and restaurant corridor. Easy access to expressways. Great schools. Very well run association. Taxes don't reflect homeowner exemption and taxes shown are the new 2021 bill. $5,000 credit towards new windows included.